All right, so Screencastify is a super powerful tool. It captures what is in your screen right now, and it also captures your face if you have a webcam on there. Um, to do Screencastify, you need to have at least a microphone to be able to narrate along with what you're doing. And you can also show your face if you want to with the webcam. You have those options, and I'll show you some other options as well later when it comes to connecting devices. So Screencastify is a Google add-on. So if you look at the top up here, I have a bunch of Google extensions and add-ons up here, and one of them is this arrow that is like an orange arrow. It's Screencastify, and that's what I'm using to record right now. Now, to get Screencastify, it's free. You need to be able to get it from that web store. Now, videos can only be 5 minutes max, and so you could do a bunch of short videos. That's fine. Um, it used to be 10 minutes, but the free 5 minutes is all you get. If you can't see the items below this address bar, you need to come over to the three dots on the right side, and you're going to toggle your bookmarks bar. So see where it says bookmarks? If the show bookmarks tab is not there, then you're going to want to do that. Sweet. And you're going to see this menu over here that says apps. So when I open that, it's going to bring up this thing that shows me all my apps that I have kind of connected to my Google. And if I click on Web Store, it's going to allow me to go into this world of searching for things to connect to my Google. So what you need to do is in the search the store, you're going to type in Screencastify. And there it is. It's going to pop on up. Now, when it pops up, you're going to have a button that says Add to Chrome. I don't have this because at this point I don't have I have Screencastify, and if I were to delete it, you wouldn't be seeing me right now on the screen. So when you click Add to Chrome, it'll add it to Chrome. It'll go walk you through it. As you can see, it's a very highly used app, and it allows you to get things done that you want to get done. So there's another tutorial below this one that'll show you all the different features when you're using Screencastify, and also some connectivity features. All right, so check out that one to do the next step with Screencastify.